Especially look at that. Moy
Oke.
going again with the Kyrie
Hati-hati
defense, but
carry,
Rambo is gonna be the
hati-hati
first
carry.
one.
Kamu
Look
dengan
at that.
baik
The passive
lanjut
becoming
harus
some
dibalikin.
this carry
Yes.
Yeah.
helps a lot.
Hampir
And
mati.
circle eagle out to
Mati
Chico. He
udah
gets taken down as well. That's a killing spree picked up right here. And now they are focusing on this turtle. An amazing fight there by Big.
Halo guys, welcome back to my channel. Balik lagi di channel kita, Jakawi Present. Di video kali ini kita bakal balik lagi ke konten nobar kita. Lanjut ke nobar yang paling seru, yang lagi seru-serunya sekarang, yaitu MSC 2021 untuk Mobile Legends. Nah, di video kali ini kita lanjut ke pertandingan playoff day 1 atau babak playoff untuk MSC 2021 hari pertama nih. Nah, sama seperti video-video sebelumnya, kita bakal ngedukung tim Indonesia lagi yang tanding di hari ini. Untuk tim Indonesia yang tanding di hari ini, yang bakal kita tonton bareng nobarnya adalah pertama itu tim Bigetron Alpha yang bakal ngelawan tim Todak Malaysia. Nah, di 3 pertandingan sebelumnya tim Bigetron Alpha itu mengalami 2 kali kekalahan dan 1 kali kemenangan di pertandingan terakhirnya, yaitu menang 2-0. Nah, untuk di babak playoff ini seperti apa pertandingannya, apakah Bigetron mampu mendapatkan kemenangannya lagi untuk kedua kalinya setelah kemarin menang, apakah bakal terjadi hal yang tidak diinginkan seperti 2 pertandingan sebelumnya. Untuk babak playoff ini nggak seperti babak fase kemarin yang kalau kalah itu nggak apa-apa, harusnya sih bener-bener menang dan menang terus, karena kalau kalah bisa tersisih di babak-babak selanjutnya. Oleh karena itu kita sama-sama dukung tim Bigetron Alpha untuk pertandingan pertama ini, dan kita langsung masuk ke videonya. Kita nomor bareng-bareng, kita dukung bareng-bareng tim Bigetron Alpha untuk tim MSC Indonesia. Let's go ke videonya.
Eliminated. Whereas the people in the upper
guys,
bracket,
kita
they
langsung
can
ke
rest easy. They get 2
pertandingannya
chances, but they
antara
are also
Bigetron
against the top
Alpha
teams in
dan
MSC.
Todak
So
Malaysia.
definitely not something
Kita
that we can
dukung
say is
bareng-bareng
safe. I think it's
tim
even
MSC
harder there. The pressure,
Indonesia kita,
being the first
Bigetron
seed in the
Alpha
group
harus
stage,
menang
right? Being
seperti
first seed of
pertandingan
your
ketiga,
individual
guys.
groups, going against each
Kita
other, it
langsung
will be
ke
very tough.
pertandingannya.
And after all that pressure, they still have the second chance in their lower bracket stage, but they're also going against a lot of crazy teams here, like Todak, PTR, Evo's Universe, and the crazy wildcard teams, Johnny. Tell
Kita
me,
dukung bareng-bareng tim Indonesia kita.
Strong, solid performance, showing some potential. Well, then again, the lower bracket, the stakes are high for the 4 teams in the lower bracket, so we just have to see their performance.
You're right, but we are going to get started with our first match shortly, right? I want to get some opinions on Bigetron Alpha and Todak. Todak, they've been really consistent. They didn't really do well against Evo's
Harus banget
Legends,
menang
but
si
they were
Bigetron.
able to
Harus
just
kali ini
completely
pokoknya
get
harus
the dub here
menang.
back yesterday in Phase 2, and Bigetron
Waktu
Alpha, they're also a very creative team. Like you see,
sebelumnya
their
Todak
crazy picks,
bisa dikalahkan sama
their
Evo sih
crazy
guys.
roster changes,
2-0
Akina
tanpa
gold lane,
balas.
now he's in the mid lane, Red
Harusnya
goes back to
kalau
the jungle.
Bigetron
So many
sudah
crazy
kembali
moments from both
bersemangat,
these teams, and I'm just really
sudah
excited.
kembali
But
ke
our
tren
analyst, Goni, tell us
semangatnya
what is going to go on.
seperti
What is going to
pertandingan
happen.
Bigetron
ketiga
struggles, of
kemarin.
course, in the first phase.
Harusnya
They lost
bisa
both of
ngebantai
their
seperti
matches,
EVOS.
but in phase 2, they changed their rosters in
Baik,
MSC.
kita dukung
That is where Todak
Bigetron di
needs to
pertandingan
really,
pertama
see
ini.
upon.
Yeah, because
Semoga
this is
bisa
the
menang
second
dan
seed of
lanjut
Malaysia taking
menang
on the second
lagi.
seed of Indonesia.
Yeah.
First time around against Evo, it's the time to show everything because
Semoga
only one more chance
bisa
is left for
mendapat
them,
hasil
especially
yang
against a team as
sama
strong as
seperti
Bigetron Alpha, who didn't have
EVOS
a
melawan
very good start, but
Roman
has
Todak yang
since
berbahaya
proven to be
guys.
very good,
Kita harus
getting a
dukung
2-0 win
Bigetron.
against.
Kita dukung.
Same
Wow.
things
Oke,
as
udah langsung
for Miss as
masuk
well.
ke
But I could say that maybe Bigetron
grafiknya ya
Alpha,
guys ya.
they also have the same thing. Okay, they are pretty
Oke,
flexible.
BTR langsung nge-ban Hayabusa dan
He
Link,
could be
dan
a tanker, he could be
Todak
a
sudah
super as
memban
well.
Popo
So I think
and
both of the teams
Pupa
are pretty strong, and I
serta
hope that
Glue ini ya.
we'll see maybe a pretty intense match from both of the teams.
Yes, yes,
Emon Todak,
and yes,
Emon Todak.
Donnie and
Kita
Momo-chan.
kembali ke jam
We are finally
kemenangan
going to get
seperti
straight
Let's
into
go.
the
pertandingan
first
ketiga.
draft of the
Jangan
playoffs
seperti
here.
pertandingan
Let's go.
pertama dan
Bigitron
kedua.
Alpha takes on Todak here in the Smart's draft pick.
Yes, Hayabusa and also Ling still become a priority for
Respect.
Bigatron Alpha. Totally respect
Yeah.
for Mace. They don't want to maybe giving a chance
No.
as well for basically as one of the best assassins in Malaysia. Bigatron Alpha.
Assassin has been banned.
3 assassins.
Yep, exactly, Albert.
3 assassins has been banned, and Todak, they banned 2 tanks. They have
Oke, sebentar,
banned
guys.
the Popo and Kuka and the
Kita
Jawhead. They
Yeah.
probably already did their homework. Key has been extremely good on these heroes, but remember, Dreams is the tank right now. It is no longer Key. Key is still in that support position. We might see a Selena ban, guys, because Key has been super good on that Selena back in the regular season of MPL ID, and now but no, it will be the Estes ban for Todak right now as we get into the first pick. I think it's going to be the other pick I can see, other than the Matilda or perhaps the Benedetta being picked in the first pick. This time, Benedetta was banned, so it's just an instant Matilda pick for the side of Bigatron Alpha. Now we will see the response from Todak. What are they going to pick away? Paquito is still open. There's so many.
Selena.
Ranger, Selena.
Selena probably will be the
Lunox as well, no?
Lunox.
Lunox?
Benedetta
Yes,
udah
it's
di ban
pretty
sama
famous
BTR
for
dan
Lunox to show up in the
Estes di ban oleh
MSC
Todak.
2021. I think Todak,
Tiga-tiga
if
sudah
they
di
want to
banning.
pick
Apa
this
yang bakal
Paquito and also
di-pick oleh
Selena,
Todak
it
kali
will be
ini, guys?
great option as well for Todak.
You're right, and that will be the
Selena
case.
jadi
Selena will be
Abilong.
picked up by the side of Todak, and now for their final pick, drum roll,
Selena,
please. Will it be the Paquito
Selena.
or will it be perhaps
Lunox.
the Lunox? The 2 support or 1 support, 1 tank, and it will be the tank. Okay, guys, this is scary. Alright, we've seen the
Yeah.
Malaysian Kufras. We saw Zakis the other day back in Orange Malaysia. This time, it will be Boy
Boy.
playing this
Dua
and
hero
it
yang
fits to their
cukup
playstyle really well.
merepotkan
They like to go in, they like to play aggressive. This is why 3 assassins were
baik
banned
dari
in the first
segi
place by
assassin
Bigatron Alpha.
maupun dari segi
So very, very interesting to see that Kufra in the first pick.
Exactly. I mean, Moy has given Todak such an impact, especially in their MPL region, and of course here in the MSC, guys.
Yep,
Yes.
last time we know that Todak they have
Okay,
E1 as a
okay,
tanker
okay.
here.
Oh,
The
what?
problem is now they
Bender
still
sudah
have Moy
ngambil Gigi dan
as a replacement
Eric.
for E1 right now, and he proved to us that actually his
unsur
Kufra
main,
is so
guys.
amazing. But going into the second pick here,
Apakah
Bigatron Alpha they just
giginya
picked
bakal
this
feeder
how?
We
atau
haven't
tidak?
seen. This is the
Kita
debut for the
lihat,
Diggy
guys.
Feeder strat, or perhaps just a Diggy pick in
Seperti
general
apa
here for Bigatron Alpha, as we've
pakai
never seen them play this Diggy before.
Mhm.
This will be very interesting to see. Their brothers, Evo's Legends,
Sebenarnya
has
pakai
done
Gigi
it
itu
before.
gambling
and
sih ya
that's
terkadang.
probably the best win rate right here with the Diggy Feeder,
Kalau
still at
sukses ya
100%.
mantap,
This is
kalau
questionable
gagal
for
ya.
me. I think they're still
Zonk.
trying to test things out with this new roster,
Cuman
with this
kalau
new
pro
draft.
player malahnya
I
guys,
don't like doing
The
that
thing is-
against Todak, man.
Bigatron actually
sudah
uses
termasuk dalam
this
strategi
technique
jitunya
back in
mereka.
MPL days. Well, but then again, this is a whole nother
Oke,
situation.
Todak
Yeah,
sudah
it's definitely sure they have
Estes
picked
ya.
it before, but it's not their
Ini wah
comfort.
benar-benar
Against
tiga-tiganya
a team like
beraksi.
Todak, as strong as Todak, as wild as
Semua,
Todak,
oh ya,
can you
ABT-nya
afford to
hari
go
sudah
for that
pick ya.
crazy pick
Semoga hari ini
before
pun
Todak even gets their jungle pick? Here?
seperti
That is the question,
biasanya
guys.
hari
I mean,
yang
Todak
mengerikan.
right now bans towards that
Oke,
support.
Todak sudah
Physical heroes
nge-ban
that Bigatron needed
Yes.
in the second phase, guys.
Yeah,
Siapa
I'm
namanya
really
tuh?
wondering
Dinosaurus.
why actually Coach
tiba-tiba
Ade
mendadak
they
lupa.
picked some. Probably we will see
Hands
another
up.
strategy
Di
coming from
banning.
Bigatron Alpha.
This has been their strat,
Oleh
though. This has been their strat by Bigatron
Bigatron
Alpha. They
Alpha.
usually go for the last pick for the Granger. I mean, not the last pick for the Granger. They give the last pick for Rainbow.
Mhm.
Alright? It has proven to be very successful back in the MPL and also
Blue.
right here in MSC,
Dan
as every
If-
time he does
oh
get
yang
that
tadi
final
pertama
pick,
If ya salah.
they've
Terus sama Blue
been very,
yang
very
di-ban.
successful. But now Todak bans away the glue and that
Gilius.
Barrett's away from Repo. It perhaps shows that Todak might just want to might pick up that Paquito, and instantly BTR goes for that Paquito ban, knowing what Todak is going for right here. Is Todak, they will have to pick their XP laner now. What will it be? Perhaps we will see an Alice. Perhaps we'll see
Lapu-Lapu.
the Lapu Lapu, who has been very famous. And I think it will be the Lapu Lapu. They need to take it away from Rico, who has been so crazy on it. Guys, Rico is Malaysian too, so he's going against his fellow national. He's going against his fellow friends back in Malaysia here.
Yes, we will see Yoki counting his own country here because I think it's pretty interesting since we know that Repo is a Malaysian as well, but it's gonna be easier for the next pick from Kodak.
I do not like that call pick, dude. You are going against a Diggy feeder. The fact that you haven't picked the jungler yet shows that you can still counter this. You can still go for something more aggressive perhaps, or a person with more mobility to just make this Diggy useless. But no, they went for the Claw, even after the Diggy pick.
Exactly what Todak are saying is like, you pick the Digi, you know what, I might take the risk as well, let me choose that Claude. Well again, Todak here is also taking a risk, guys.
This is the mental game right now, Goni. This is what they're trying to do. If Todak, wow, it is going to be the carry pick. I guess they do have two frontliners. They have that Esmeralda, and now also the Kufra. And for the final pick, they need a strong frontliner because right now they do not have a tank, and exactly what's going to be picked, Bellerin. We mentioned this before, man. Coach Age, he is a mad genius. And I specify the mad, I put in emphasis into the mad more than the genius because this guy is just crazy. He is weird, man. For Todak, what do you even respond with right here? With the Belric pick, with the crazy carry and Harith pick as well. They already have very good early game from the GD, the Matilda. And now they have the late game carries as well. But for the early game, Todak will have a slight edge with that Kufra, I think, for engages in team fights.
I think Lapu-Lapu is good.
Lapu-Lapu is good.
Todak cannot take that Uranus because, you know, Bigatron, they have the counter for all of the thing either coming from Todak here. So Uranus 100% is not maybe a good option for Todak. They can go some way to take this Lapu-Lapu.
Oh, you're wrong right here. They do not care. Right?
Okay, they just take the risk, okay?
They take the risk even though, right now, as it stands, Todak does not have a lot of physical damage. The only physical damage coming from that bot. So I really am questioning the draft from Todak. But obviously now we are going to get ready for the first game. I want some predictions, guys. Let's start with you, Goni, Bigatron Alpha, and Todak. Which draft suits you the most?
I gotta be honest with you guys. I mean, Bigatron with their Diggy could harass this plot early, so I'm choosing Bigatron.
Choosing Bigatron, and for you, Momo-chan.
I will take Bigatron side because I really like that carry as the counter of all of the defensive heroes coming from Todak.
I would have actually went for Todak's composition if they did pick the Uranus. If they went for something like Lapu-Lapu, who had that physical damage spread as well, I would go for Todak, but it will be 3-0 for Bigatron Alpha as we enter the land of Dawn. Are you guys ready? Give your predictions down in the comment section as we get straight into game number 1. Bigatron Alpha takes on Todak.
Yep, let's go. Look at that team already playing a little bit aggressive. But more and more will do the same thing as well.
Yeah, but remember Rico on this Balric, he is very scary. Now Key goes on to Chico, actually going to be able to chunk him a little bit there, but the Battle Mirror image will still be there as Dreams will just continue and harass them in the jungle. But now, actually, Esmeralda has rotated to Renbo, and he is actually forced away from his own buff right now. Todak might just try to get that, but Rico is still here, Momo.
Yes, if we take a look of the composition from both of the teams, Bigatron Alpha, they have maybe an early composition. They are so having a more advantage here.
Yeah, but no, again, this is why it is so good. This is the strategy, Momo-chan.
Yeah.
The Diggy is so good against the Claude. They cannot farm, and right now, Renbo, Todak is trying to do the same thing to Renbo, but unfortunately, he will actually, with the orange buff went.
The purple buff went into the hand of Esmeralda.
The purple buff actually went to the hands of Esmeralda, so they're also doing very well here. Chico has gotten one kill traded back for Key, and Renbo hasn't gotten a single buff just yet, so both teams doing something on the map, being proactive.
Yep, Bigatron Alpha, like I said earlier, they have a early composition here. They have this Rainbow with the passive, the passive they're coming from this carry with the 2 damage. And also, Key with his Matilda, we know that Matilda have a lot of burst damage in the early as well with the soul wound that he
Diginya
has.
masih mengganggu
Yeah, you're right. I mean, Toda
scrollnya.
doing their best right now, even giving
Giginya
Chiku the
terus
gold buff, the
gangguin
gold
core-nya
minion back there
supaya
in the gold
kalah.
lane, just to help him a bit.
Kalah
As Chiku
jauh.
just gets taken very low, and Key zones him away again from
Sejauh
his
ini
buff.
core-nya
So right
masih
now,
menang di
just now
BT
it looked pretty
dengan
close. Chiku still got a kill,
carry-nya.
still
Nice.
got some stuff done, and Renbo was not able to get a purple buff. But now it's the opposite. All right, Chiku has not been able to get that orange buff, and Renbo
Oke,
has
carry
gotten
dapat
that one level lead
carry
right now.
sama
Yes,
Hilda,
but
wait.
look at it. I really like how Key
Masih
playing so aggressive
dikasih
in the
longgar.
early. He may be trying to help
Oke,
Renbo
ada
to
Ismail.
get a lot of
Oh,
Hati-hati,
yeah, but the point Simon goes on the two
hati-hati,
people. That will be
maju
right
udah
there.
cover
Repo trying to stun them
sama.
off as the Abyssal Arrow connects, but is
Tanknya.
on to Repo right now. They're still
Hati-hati,
kiting back, but that's a
lagi
lot
Serena,
of damage to
mati,
Moon
nice.
as Moy tries to look for a re-engage. In the end, it won't be any kills on the board, and the turtle will not be slain just yet. But Chico again, he is so incredibly low. Circling
Yes.
Eagle to finish him off right there, and
Masih
just like
lagi
that, it is already a
Cloud-nya
disaster for
mati
Chico,
untuk kedua
losing.
kalinya.
Dying 2 times here in the first 2
Terus
minutes. Gone.
farming terus kayak di
Wow, I
Rainbow
think
Rainbow.
This Cloud pick hasn't, shown
Di bawah masih
strength
tenang
now, guys. I mean,
tanknya.
2-2-0 in the first 3 minutes.
Oke,
It's
Digi
not looking good for the
santuy
side of
jangan
Flora.
But
mati-matiannya.
if they are trying to drag this game into the
Toda
late
mau
game, I
ngumpet.
think Todak still have a chance to turn back the table because
Cloud-nya
they have to be
masih.
careful, especially look at that. Moy
Oke.
playing again with the Kyrie
Hati-hati
defense, but
carry,
Rainbow is gonna be the
hati-hati
first
carry.
one to
Cover
look at
dengan
that.
baik,
The passive
lanjut
coming
dibalas,
from
dibalikin.
this carry
Yes.
Yeah.
helps a lot.
Hampir
And the circling
mati.
eagle out to
Mati
Chico. He
udah
gets taken down as well. That's a killing spree picked up by Key. And now they are focusing on this turtle. An amazing fight there by Biggitron Alpha Momo. As they look towards the turtle, there is going to be no contest whatsoever. Uncontested turtle for Biggitron. And a great dub.
Did you guys notice the positioning from Key from Rainbow?
Yes, that is his strong suit, the strong points here.
Yes,
Moon
Moon
just gets slaughtered under his own turret. Biggitron Alpha, they are pushing the pace here in the early game without the physical damage threat in the other side lanes and without. The thing is, when you go pick this Uranus against the Harith, you can't really bully. Harith will just be able to just dodge away every single time, but when if you go for the Lapu Lapu, you can actually deal a lot of damage to this Harith and zone him away. And now, Dreams, super effective on this Diggy shot.
Super annoying in the early phase, especially when he's trying to disturb and making some distraction as well. Into the Todax maybe a
Two level lead and no, this arrow does land, but it is very short as now Renbo goes in, dashes in to deal some damage, but there is already a lot of follow right now. Falling Star Moon will land onto Repo, but look at that, Renbo still positioning like a god, the Circle Eagle coming to Moy, and Renbo picks up a kill. It is an unstoppable for Key right now, as Big Ichon Alpha are pushing the lead to 3,000.
Amazing, look at the Big Ichon Alpha being really trying to maximize their potential in the early here with the presence of Harry and also Matilda, and they are making a lot of free space as well for Mat.
Yeah, and Dreams constantly just dying to the turret, constantly just trying to give the kills over to the tank player. Incredibly intelligent here, but Key now getting caught a little bit offside as the Falling Star Moon does connect. Chico will use the Blazing Went onto Key, but Repo is right there to save him, to just help him get out of that situation. Now, it looks like Matt and Renbo, they're looking for blood or Mace, will be taken down. That is another kill going to the side of Big Etron Alpha, guys.
This is what I like from Coach Aguirre actually. He realized that he has to change the lineup from Bigatron Alpha if they want to win this NRC 2021. He has to maybe work really fast.
With the sudden roster swap, with the crazy hero picks like the Diggy in the first draft, it is just crazy right here. His Dreams still doing his job. Chiku, he cannot do anything. The Circling Eagle connects once more. It is a monster kill picked up by Key, and Chiku has not gotten a single level after he got that level 6. Point Simon now onto Key, still has that flicker away. Now Dreams and Repo trying to do damage onto Momo, and it is still Renbo taking that turtle down. It will be a shutdown for Momo, but the turtle will go to the hands of Renbo as he joins in the fight right now. Dreams will be taken out as well. A double kill picked up by Momo. This might be a disaster. The Tyrant's Revenge as well, but Renbo still kiting away, still dealing damage and doing a lot. He gets a killing spree. He's looking for more. Momo tries to deal damage with the Falling Star Moon. Moon goes in for the kill. He'll be able to get the shutdown, but Repo will trade it back. A back and forth fight here in the 6th minute of the game.
Yes, the revitalized economy from that Diggy really helping Rainbow to stay alive and even survive more if the turtle can just now.
Terus
This Dreams is so annoying. Chiku just able to not able to do anything right now in this game, and he is 2 levels behind.
Yeah, look at that level defense coming from both of our junglers here,
Terus,
Rainbow and also
oke.
Chiku. Chiku is having a
Tarik,
hard time to deal
recall
with this
untuk
Diggy's
mana
Meteor
musuhnya?
Strike.
Ooh, but now, okay, Key will
Okay,
actually be
okay,
taken down here, I
Matilda,
think. Moon will
Matilda.
just dash in, and Rainbow is still
Masih
waiting on the
ada.
circling eagle now. Rainbow trying to push Moy down with his
duet
passive,
sama
unfortunately,
carry.
Moy still has that flicker to get
Hati-hati,
away
coy,
safely, but right now,
hati-hati.
sure, Big Tron
Harit
Alpha, they have
dibantuin
the
bawah,
lead, they have the
bantuin bawah,
better
Harit
early
bantuin
game,
bawah.
but
Dreams
look at
yang
Esmeralda scaling
masih
very well.
terus
Chiku,
crowdnya
oh my god, I don't
dibikin
think he's gonna get this kill. X dashes forward, now gets the kill, and Matt tries to look for a
Oh,
bullet back
yeah.
here onto Chiku. He'll be able to get that one as he now jumps around onto Moy, Rainbow, and Matt. This is a dream. He goes back to the shielding. He still lives, and Matt, my goodness, with the Zaman Force, with Repo also pushing in the top side, they win a
Nice. Langsung
2v4.
Recall,
No, 3v4.
hati-hati ada Uranus.
Oh
Oke,
no,
wah,
man!
nggak
Oh,
apa-apa,
suddenly
nggak apa-apa.
Formis
Aduh,
going into the backlane and straight away punish
Yes.
that Matt in the mid lane. Meanwhile, look at
Oke,
Reaper
tanknya,
trying to find someone here
hati-hati
more.
Om Ripo,
He need to flicker
hati-hati Om
away,
Ripo.
and he still survive even with the slight
Oke,
HP
carry-nya
there.
farming,
Yeah, with the
farming,
flicker, he
farming.
was still able to get away, as this will be the
Oh,
third turtle
gold.
spawning
Unggul
away
dua apa
by the
ya?
side
Unggul
of
2000.
Bigetron Alpha. That is in the bottom side, so they do
Bigetron
have pressure
Alpha.
on there. Falling Star Moon and
Oke,
that Esmeralda.
game
though. Not
pause,
scaling very
guys.
well, still at a
Ternyata
2-0.
apa
Getting
yang
2
terjadi
shutdowns last fight. They
seperti
got a kill
biasa,
onto Rainbow, and
setting
he got a
dulu
kill
para pro player ini.
onto that Matilda. They got a kill onto Key.
Okay.
So 2 shutdowns picked up by the Esmeralda, and we all know Esmeralda needs gold to try and do some damage. He needs XP. Right now,
Oke, guys,
very
kita
calm about this.
menunggu
They're still very,
apakah yang
motivated
terjadi.
to win this
Kita
game. As you can see from the
menunggu.
smiles from
Oke,
all the
sambil
players right here, they are
kita
still very
dukung
confident
terus
in taking this
tim
game because again,
BTS
Esmeralda
supaya
has been scaling
menang
very,
di
very well.
pertandingan
Even
pertama
though
ini.
right now Chiku is not really having a good time, 2 levels behind.
Oke, sudah pada megang
Still
HP.
has they have a very, very
lagi?
big chance to win this game if
Lanjut lagi.
Rainbow and Bigetron Alpha decides to make a mistake here in the turtle, overcommitting. This is not something we see a lot from Bigetron Alpha. We don't see a lot of early game type of plays from Bigetron
Oke,
Alpha.
sejauh
They're more of a
ini
reactive team. They go for a
Bigetron
late game, but right
unggul.
now they are pushing the pace, Momo.
Sejauh
Yep,
ini ya,
that's true.
dari
And
segi
I really don't like
tower,
actually to
goal, dan
pick that
killnya.
Uranus for the last
Walaupun
pick here
tipis.
because knowing that Bigetron has the counter
Oke,
for all of the things
turtle
here,
amankan, hati-hati rame
Oh,
coy.
a good action
Arset
here. But
dapat
look at the
nice,
Moy trying
mundur
to
carry-nya,
come in
mundur,
with the
mundur.
and Tyrant Rage Key trying to
Hati-hati
follow the circle
carry-nya,
leader, but the problem
di
is man is coming
cover
as well
datang
with the Zaman Force
Herity,
trying to
ada
shut
Gotek
away
sama
Moy in the front lane.
Herity,
Yes,
Oh,
carry-nya
Sonic
sama-
It will be more
sama
taken down
Diki.
right now as just it was a beautiful fight from
Nice.
Bigetron Alpha.
Lagi
Dreams
gua,
took that initial
guys.
abyssal arrow, zoned them away with that,
Nice.
and was just perfect right there. Bigetron Alpha playing this
Carry
game
paling
very,
dulu,
very well.
paling
Remember,
dulu.
it is
Harit
14
bisa
to 11 in the
berani
squoreboard,
ke
but
tembok tower
it
bawah.
is 7
Tapi
kills
jagain
from
drop,
that Digi
slow
leader.
aja,
So right
slow
now,
aja.
Bigetron
Jangan
Alpha, they are
pakai
very, very much in the lead
Matilda,
as they
recall
have
dulu,
the
Matilda,
2,000
recall
gold
dulu.
lead, 3 turtles here.
Like I said,
Oke,
Bigetron Alpha, they
beda,
are
3.000.
maximize their potential in
Goldnya
the early
3.000.
game here
Yes.
with this Matilda and also
Oh,
Rainbow
Oh,
and
wait a minute.
Matt.
That goes in for the
Yeah.
Zaman Force now onto Moody. Just does so much damage. It's going to be a kill. Picked up. And now Chiku's caught in the bad position. Rainbow will go in with the help of Matt. He's going to get taken down as Moy cannot do anything right there. It will be the turret circling. Eagle comes along to zone him away. And Forme is trying to do something here on the map. But Bigetron Alpha, they're going to push the pace once again all the way to the enemy jungle to zone them away and get this first turret in the bottom side. No, second turret.
Oke, tower bawah
We know that
dulu,
actually
amankan
the DPS
towernya.
strategy is really tricky, right? Sometimes you have to use a
Okay.
strong support in the early phase just to maybe
top
trying to
lane-nya,
follow up what
towernya
actually he's
jagain,
doing.
tanknya
And this is what happened
Matilda,
from Bigetron Alpha.
Esmeraldanya
They know
dicicil.
actually this DV
Kena
fit
di
strategy
tapi
is
nggak
still
apa-apa.
working,
Hanya
but you
cuil-cuilan.
have to do and you have to
Balik lagi
execute
ke mid,
pretty well.
midnya.
You're right, the
Awas,
abyssal arrow,
awas, tiga,
which has
tiga
actually been
versus
landing a
tiga.
lot, but it
Yep.
only has been
Tiga
landed to
versus
Dreams. Once
tiga.
it has landed to
Oke,
Rainbow, but
tiga
so far
versus
Rainbow's
tiga,
position is just too good. Like we see there,
Matilda,
Force now, Moy gets bursted
carry,
down. It is going to be circling
Matilda,
eagle to the backside. That is crazy. Moy doesn't get killed, but it's going to be Momo right now. The target, Rainbow dashes forward. The last passive will get him, and it will be Key taking another kill. 8-3 is the score for Key. This is the Lord Camp presented by Smart. Bigetron Alpha with a 6,000 gold lead. Repo zoning everyone away from the first turret. This is a beautiful game of Mobile Legends by Bigetron Alpha.
Empat
Things
orang,
are not looking good for this set of
empat
opponents.
orang.
6K almost.
Nice,
Gold lead
tanknya
here, guys. And
jaga
of course, the
sama
First Lord
Matilda.
will go down without
Nice,
contest. Well,
Lord,
guys,
tiga.
have
Beda
no-
7.000 gold
Yeah,
guys.
it's so
hard
Nice,
now. It
nice,
is just-
nice.
They've been just dominating in the early game. Sure,
Okay,
Forme was able to actually
sudah
steal that purple buff
terjun
away
ke
right
bawah,
here, and it was
sudah
Esmeralda picking up the
OTW
purple buff in the
ke depan.
early game. But Rainbow is at a 2-level lead. He's trying to make that a 3-level lead right now. Let's take a look at the player head-to-head right as we talk about the jungle gap right here.
Yeah.
Donnie, tell me what's happening
The
here.
things are not looking good again for Chiku. I'm still questioning why they picked that quad. Meanwhile,
After
in
the
the
Digi
first,
pick.
after
Okay,
that Digi pick,
Oh, but look at the burst. It's not just gonna do anything. A killing spree for Rainbow again and again. They already have the NOD. They already have the healing reduction right now. And Toda with that Esmeralda, with that Uranus, they're relying a lot from their front line for regeneration from all their shielding. And Matt just goes in with his Zaman Force, pops it away, gets a kill, jumps for it. Momo, Chiku is the target, still away, getting away with that Battle Mirror image. But now Momo tries for an engage, but he gets bursted down. It will be Bigetron Alpha going in for the Circling Eagle onto Chiku, bursting him down a little bit. He will be traded back. No, he still has a flicker to get away, and it will be game number 1 picked up by Bigetron Alpha. But wait just a minute, perhaps not yet done. Moon tries to go in, Rainbow gets the kill. It will be a case predicted as well, and this is Bigetron Alpha getting a dominant game in their first playoff match.
Yep. Wow. Bigetron Alpha, this big team number 1 against Toda. And I think Toda, they have to come with maybe a different drop, I can say.
I was about to say, guys, I mean, the drop from Toda, the approach was, I don't know, too risky. Because of course in the first phase, they choose a Bigetron side and take Biggie. But then again, they choose a jungler that is so weak in the early phase, and that is not a good sign. Meanwhile, on the other hand, when the jungler from the Bigetron side, they picked up Carry. But Toda just picks up 3 tanks. Esmeralda, 2 tanks, as well as Uranus.
And like I said, 4 magic damage dealers, right? You do not have enough damage going around there. You need some physical damage, and that's why I thought the Lapu Lapu would be picked up. I think it was just, they got outdrafted right there. They got outdrafted completely. They picked the Claude after seeing the
Oke guys, pertandingan pertamanya sudah selesai. Ternyata untuk pertandingan pertama dimenangkan oleh Bigetron Alpha dengan skor 1-0. Di pertandingan tadi benar-benar Bigetron Alpha menguasai keseluruhan pertandingan. Gold mereka unggul, turtle mereka ambil terus, Lord pun dikuasai, permainannya mantap, terorganisir, kerjasamanya udah bagus, semangatnya udah mantap. Untuk karinya menang sama Claude itu pun gara-gara strategi Digi feedernya, dan Diginya benar-benar gangguin banget si Claude atau core musuh, sehingga goldnya jauh, menang jauh. Untuk kerjasama timnya antara Harry dan yang lain-lain juga pun mantap. Pokoknya keren banget pertandingan tadi. Toda dipukul mundur terus, dibikin kacau, dibikin amburadul. Semoga pertandingan selanjutnya bakal menang lagi. Semoga BTR mendapat poin penuh hari ini. Kita lanjut ke pertandingan keduanya di video selanjutnya. Oke, untuk video kali ini cukup sampai sini. Semoga kalian terhibur, semoga kalian enjoy, dan lanjut ke next video. Bye bye.